Let us start with going through the proper authentication. Okay, so this smart ambulance will wait for the hospital to transmit its coordinates over. So as you can see, you have to key in the coordinates from the hospital side. So let us key in, for example, coordinates 22, 22, and the coordinates 22 is being transmitted, and the driver has to key in where he is starting from. So let us say 42, 42, and as you can see, there is a path leading from 22 snaking here to 42. Note that in the previous videos, including this, the flickering nature of the LED matrix display is prominent because the video cam has a finite refresh rate, so that's not a big problem. There's one minor change that I made to the headlights dimmer function as well as the siren control system. I have actually overestimated the A to D conversion time that is required, so instead I have reduced the time required to do the A to D sampling, and hence the resolution and as well as the response rate of the headlight system as well as the siren control system is very much improved. So please look carefully as I shoot my hands over this LED display. The LED becomes slightly brighter, dimmer, brighter, dimmer. So as you can see, this response rate is pretty good as it adapts in real time. As for the siren, there's not much of a difference except its response rate is pretty good. So the siren, okay, let us move on to the traffic control. So this traffic control will send signals depending on where this smart ambulance on wheels will be going to. So is the movement of this smart ambulance is being detected by a series of photodiodes, which are these two, and LED infrared emitters. So as you can see, if I were to cut the beam path between two of the emitter and receiver, the traffic control will sense that the ambulance is at a certain location and you will send the appropriate coordinates to update the LED matrix map. So let us set this pair corresponds to location 0 and 1. So let us change the coordinates. So we want to change location 0 to maybe 77, and change location 1 to maybe 66. So please look carefully. If I were to block this path, the control system will sense that the ambulance has reached location 0, so yes, you are at 77. Head west 14 kilometers to where the distress location is. So now the smart ambulance has to update its path given by the traffic control system to follow this path. And from location 1, which is at 66, you are at 66, head south 14 kilometers. So now he is over here. So as you can see, this is something like a very primitive navigation system whereby the position of this ambulance can be tracked by a remote traffic controller, and its wireless signal is being beamed back by a pair of FM receivers. This concludes the end of this midterms break updates.